Why does your scanner show the P0394 engine code? What does it mean? P0394 is a diagnostic trouble code for Camshaft Position Sensor B, Circuit Intermittent, Bank 2. This engine code indicates that this code means the engine's control module is receiving inconsistent or out-of-specification voltage readings from the sensor that monitors the camshaft's position. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty camshaft position sensor CMP, wiring and connector issues, fluid contamination, crankshaft position sensor CKP, weak or dead battery. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Jeep Wrangler and Honda vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.